Are you tired of cookware that just doesn't perform? Here are the 5 best copper cookware sets I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. Corro 26 PCS Pots and Pans Set. We have the Corro 26 PCS Pots and Pans Set, priced at $131.99. What caught my attention here is the sheer number of pieces in this set. It's like a complete kitchen upgrade in one package. If you want a comprehensive set that simplifies your cooking experience, this is worth a serious look. Now here's why this product solves your problem. This set includes everything from fry pans to stock pots, which means you won't be scrambling to find the right pot for your meal. The reinforced die-cast aluminum ensures it's lightweight yet durable, making it easy to handle while cooking. Plus, it heats up quickly and evenly. You can expect consistent results, whether you're sautéing or simmering. The non-stick surface is a big deal too. It's designed with a top-level granite material that offers 10x better non-stick performance. This means less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. With over 2,000 units sold just this past month, it shows people are really interested in this cookware. Now, some people complained about it not being dishwasher safe. Here's the thing though, while it might be a hassle to hand wash, I think the quality and performance you get in return makes it worth a little extra effort. This is perfect for you if you want a full cookware set that does it all without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something more specialized like professional grade pans. Overall, it gives you great value for the price. Now, if the Corro's hand washing requirement bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its dishwasher safe feature.
Product number 2, the Gotham Steel 12-piece ceramic cookware set for $89.99. Honestly, the first thing that caught my eye was the stunning design in graphite color, but it's the performance that really counts. If you want non-stick convenience and a stylish look, this set is definitely worth considering. Why does this set solve your cooking dilemmas? With over 30 million satisfied customers, Gotham Steel has nailed it with their ultra non-stick surface. Coated 3 times and reinforced with ceramic and titanium, you won't need oil or butter for cooking, making it a healthier choice too. The set includes an 8.5-inch skillet, a 10.5-inch frying pan, and various pots with tempered glass lids for easy monitoring. Plus, it's induction compatible, which means it works on all cooktops. Customers love the quick and easy cleanup. Just pop it in the dishwasher after use. However, some users noted that the coating can wear off over time. Now, I'll be real with you, this can happen with any nonstick cookware, but if you're careful with your metal utensils, you should be just fine. This is perfect for you if you're new to cooking and want something that looks good and works well without the fuss. Skip this one if you need heavy-duty professional cookware that can take a beating, because it might not hold up to that level of use. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a full kitchen in a box.
Product number 3, Gotham Steel Hammered 20 PC Ceramic Cookware Set. We're looking at the Gotham Steel Hammered 20 PC Ceramic Cookware Set, priced at $180.45. The hammered design is not just for looks, it genuinely makes a statement in any kitchen. If you're ready to elevate your cooking game with a comprehensive set, this is definitely worth checking out. What sets this cookware apart? It includes everything you need to completely outfit your kitchen, from frying pans to a full baking set. Yes, that means cookie sheets and muffin tins. The non-stick surface is coated 3 times and reinforced with diamonds, ensuring effortless food release. You can cook healthier meals without oil, and cleanup is a breeze since it's dishwasher safe. Plus, it's stovetop and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you the versatility to tackle almost any recipe. Some folks pointed out that the set is a bit on the pricier side. Here's the thing though. With the included bakeware and the high-quality construction, you're really getting a lot of bang for your buck. This is perfect for you if you do a lot of cooking and baking and want a set that meets all your needs in one go. Skip this one if you're looking for a basic set just for everyday frying and simmering, because you might not need all the extras. Now, if you love the design and quality but want something more streamlined, check out this next option.
Product number 4, Gotham Steel Hammered Frying Pan Set. The Gotham Steel Hammered Frying Pan Set, priced at $69.99. If you're looking for a solid frying pan collection, these hammered copper pans might just be your best bet. If you want reliability for everyday cooking, this set is worth considering. So why should you be interested? This set includes 2 frying pans, a 9.5-inch and a 12-inch, perfect for everything from pancakes to searing steaks. The nonstick ceramic coating is infused with diamond particles, making it incredibly durable and scratch-resistant. Plus, they heat evenly, ensuring no hot or cold spots while you cook. And yes, they're dishwasher safe too. However, some users mentioned that the handles can get a bit hot during cooking. Now, I'll be honest, if you're not careful, this could be a minor inconvenience. Just use a pot holder and you're good to go. This is perfect for you if you want reliable, durable frying pans that can handle everyday cooking tasks. Skip this one if you prefer larger pans or need a more extensive cookware set. Alright, that was a great option, but let's wrap up with another impressive choice.
Product number 5, Gotham Steel Hammered 15PC Ceramic Cookware Set. We have the Gotham Steel Hammered 15PC Ceramic Cookware Set at $99.95. This set offers a nice balance of quality and price, and honestly, the hammered design makes it really appealing. If you want a well-rounded set that doesn't skimp on quality, this is a solid choice. This set covers all your bases with an 8-inch frying pan, multiple saucepans, and a stock pot, all featuring a non-stick coating that's easy to clean. The handles are designed to stay cool so you can cook without worrying about burns. Plus, with its even heat distribution, you'll get perfect results every time. With a 10-year guarantee, you really can't go wrong. Some reviewers noted that the pans can feel a bit heavy, but honestly, I think the weight adds to the durability and quality. If you're after lightweight cookware, this might not be the best fit for you. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, aesthetically pleasing cookware set that can last for years. Skip this one if you're looking for ultra lightweight options designed for quick and easy cooking. Now, let's wrap this up and see which one stands out the most.
So there you have it, a quick run through of the top 5 copper cookware sets. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Gotham Steel Hammered 20-piece ceramic cookware set because it's a complete kitchen solution with excellent value. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Corro set if you're not a fan of hand washing your pots and pans.